What if I told you there is a new way on YouTube to make 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month in a niche that is exponentially blowing up? And the niche I'm talking about is related to technology niche. And for this, you don't have to even show your face. That will give you the ability to travel and enjoy your dream life by just working 4 hours a week. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button for the algorithm for the no BS straight to the point new videos every day. This cash cow YouTube channel is called Tesla Fans. This channel is based on Elon Musk and Tesla, and it already got more than 92,000 subscribers in just 1 year. And you can see it's getting thousands of views per video without even showing his or her face and just using stock footage of Elon Musk and Tesla and giving the latest news updates about Elon Musk and Tesla futures plan. You can model your own channel, learn from his thumbnails, and for the content you can just click on the three dots below, then click on the transcript and it will show you all the subtitles. You can learn from the subtitles and make your own video on that topic, giving the latest updates on the Elon Musk and Tesla. And let's see how much this channel is making on Social Blade. So I can guarantee you that it will be a success to you. So you can see that is making 5,000 US dollars a month from ad revenue. The average CPM of Social Blade is 25 cents to 4 US dollars, and the technology niche has more CPM than this. So you are gonna make easily around 10,000 US dollars per month easily by working couple of hours per week. And if you don't want to do this on your own, you can just hire someone else from Fiverr or Upwork. Money, you can do it on your own. How? You can use any software like InShot, Canva to edit the videos. Use stock footage found on internet of Tesla and Elon Musk. Do some creative editing and you're good to go. And for voiceover, you can use an AI software called Murph.ai or Well Said Labs. They are the fantastic softwares known as Murph.ai and Well Said Labs for text-to-speech AI human-like sounding experience. For this, you have to just find the latest news updates on Tesla and just make a video on it and you're good to go. By working 1 to 2 hours per day or 3 to 4 hours per week, you can make easily 10,000 US dollars per month and live the dream life you always deserved.